Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Daddy Easy. Just doing a fast video for you guys. There was a system update that happened on Nintendo Switch that actually basically what it does is allows you to play your TV dock mode and handheld mode now, which I believe it increases the frames and it increases the resolution. I'm playing Resident Evil Requiem, and it looks way better than it did before. So basically you just go to your settings and basically it adds new options. It's going to basically do an update towards your controllers now. It turns the controllers into pro controllers now, and I noticed that it has some improvements now, especially when it comes towards aiming, because before when I would try to play games like Fortnite and stuff like that, I always had problems trying to aim, and now it gives you like the sensitivity as a pro controller, so I'm able to play my games a little bit better. So basically, let's go towards updates real quick. Systems, and as you can see currently right now I'm on version 22.00, and now when you go towards, where is it? So basically if you go right here, Nintendo Switch on handling, you can now turn it on right here. Let's bring it up so you guys can actually see what it says right here. I'm gonna let you guys read it. It says that it has really no effect for the Nintendo Switch 2. I think this is an update for the Nintendo Switch, but to be honest, I did see a notice difference on here. So just show you guys. It looks way clearer compared to what's before. Before when I was playing this, it looked way blurry, especially with the hair. As you can see right there. It's way smoother. It's like a lock 60 now. The controllers feel more steady. Even in first person mode. Let's go to first person mode real quick. It just feels more comfortable to play. Let's see if I can actually aim it up towards the chef. It looks way better. I'm not gonna cap. It looks way better. And the game actually got an update, so I'm missing every shot though. It's basically the way how I'm standing, so I don't have it directly in my face, so it's kind of hard to aim it. As you can see, it's way clearer compared to how it was before. Let's put it over to third person real quick. What I'm gonna do is load it back up. Let's go towards my autosave. Actually, right here. The controllers feel way smooth, and it's responding just by me tapping a little. So because of this update, because Requiem did get an update just now, I didn't touch this for the last couple of days, but with this new update and the Switch 2 update, sorry if I'm not directly on it. It's hard to see it from the angle that I have it on. I try to keep it steady on the screen. I'm up here missing shots and crap. And I missed that. Well, it looks, like I said, it looks way better and it's playing way better. So if it looks like it's slow on the camera, that's because I got the camera set to auto. So it's not going to show a full 60. It's jumping up and down because of the way I got the lights. So yeah, guys, that's the update on here. It looks way better than it was before. I'm going to read more in towards it, but the game looks better and it functions way better. So my next thing is to play some Fortnite and see how I actually play with it. So if I'm able to actually control it way better, this is a good update. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One.